Guys, today we're going to be looking at simultaneous equations. Okay, so let's zoom in on this one here. First thing we can see is that we've got the same amount of y's, one's positive and one is negative. So because we've got the same, we don't have to change them, and because the signs are different, we just add them together. Okay, so let's add these. 2x plus 3x is 5x. The y's will cancel each other out, and 8 plus 17 is 25. Okay, so 5x equals 25. I can now say that x equals 5. I'm now going to use this equation at the top, and I'm going to sub x into it. So 2x plus y equals 8. And because x is 5, I'm going to say 2 upon 5 plus y equals 8. 2 times 5 is 10. Plus y equals 8, so y must equal minus 2. And I know that because whenever I do my 10, I swap side, swap sign. Y equals 8 minus 10, which is minus 2. Okay? Next example over here. You'll notice the signs are the same, which means we're going to have to take them away. But also we've got a 3y, and a 4y. Okay, so we're going to have to multiply them up together. So let's multiply this one here by 4 to make 12y, and multiply this one by 3 to make 12y. So whenever I multiply these across, I'm going to put this one here in the top actually, because it's going to end up with a bigger amount of x's. So that's going to give me 9x plus 12y equals 72. And then the top one's going to give me 8x plus 12y equals 68. Okay, doesn't matter which one's at the top, but I decided to do it this way just so as I had 9x on top. So now because I've got the same amount of y's and they're both positive, I'm going to take them away. Okay, so 9x take away 8x just gives me 1x. The 12y's cancel. And 72 take away 68 is 4. So x is 4. So now what we're going to do is we're going to look at this here equation. We're going to put x is 4 into that. So that's going to give me 2 times 4 plus 3y equals 17. 2 4s are 8 plus 3y equals 17. Let's swap side and swap sign. So 3y is 17. Take away 8, which means 3y is 9. Now if 3y is 9, it must mean y equals 3. So we've got our final answer of x is 4 and y is 3.